Animal tissues. Almost all animals are made up of tissues. Tissues are a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function. Animal tissues are grouped into four basic types: epithelial, nervous, muscle, and connective tissues. So let's first look at epithelial tissue. This tissue covers and protects the internal and external surfaces of the animal body. Epithelial tissue is subdivided into simple squamous, stratified squamous, columnar, and composite epithelium based on the shape and function of their cells. The simple squamous epithelium is found in the lining of the alveoli and allows transport of small molecules across the membrane. It is extremely thin, flat, and single-layered. The stratified squamous epithelium protects areas subject to abrasion, and it is found in the skin. It is multi-layered. Comboidal epithelium aids in absorption and provides mechanical support. It forms the lining of the kidney tubules. It is shaped like a tube. Columnar epithelium acts as an impermeable barrier against any bacteria that could be ingested, but it is permeable to any necessary ions. It is tall and shaped like a column. The next tissue type is nervous tissue, which consists of a nerve cell or neuron that's a cell body containing the nucleus. The cell body extends and forms a specialized cell parts called dendrites and axons. These are nerve cells that help you retract your hand when you touch a thorn. How does this happen? Nerve cells carry messages that is the dendrites bring signals to the cell body, and the axon transmits the information to the dendrites of another cell. The third tissue type is the muscle tissues that are responsible for the movement in our body. The three types of muscle tissues are skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. The skeletal muscles helps in locomotion and other voluntary body movements. It is made of long fibers with alternating light and dark bands or striations. So skeletal muscles are also called striated muscles. Smooth muscle cells provide involuntary movements such as constructions of walls. They line the walls of the hollow structures of the body. Smooth muscle cells are found in the intestines and blood vessels. They are spindle-shaped, flat, pointed out, and both the ends and broad at the middle. The cardiac or heart muscles are involuntary muscle cells that contract and relax throughout life. They are cylindrical, branched, and uninucleated. The final tissue we look at is the connective tissue that binds and supports the body parts and transport materials. Connective tissues are subdivided into blood-bone ligaments, cartilage, areolar, and adipose tissue. The blood contains RBC, WBC, and platelets that transport gases and other materials to different parts of the body. Blood has a fluid matrix. Bone cells secrete calcium that hardens the bone and supports the main organs of the body. Bone cells are solid ligaments functions as a connection between bones. Their fibrous and stretchy cartilage protects bones by preventing them from rubbing against each other. It is a tough but flexible tissue. Areolar fill the space inside the organs. It is gel-like with both elastic and non-elastic fibers. Adipose tissues store fat molecules. In conclusion, we have seen and understood the types of animal tissues. They are subclassifications and their functions.